Hi, and welcome. I'm excited to share a new feature with you in your JenesisNow system. We have now added a commercial proposal. So I have this to do right here for Johnny Bowling Ball. I need to send the proposal. I can open it up, go to my client, and now you can see here in the client view under business, you have the option of sending a proposal. I have two down here that I've quoted, so I will hit the button. And you can see here that I've already created two proposals. Now, if I wanted to use these, I can edit it, put in my coverages and term date, premium and deductible, and give it a name. Save it. And now I can view it. We have a proposal here for Johnny Bowling Ball, my pretend client from my pretend agency. It was created yesterday. Here is a summary. And here's the coverage page. Now, if I want to go back and actually create a proposal, I can hit the plus sign. I select the policy I want, and I simply hit continue. And now you can see I can go ahead and fill in that information, save it. Looks like I forgot to name it, so let me edit it. We can say this, I believe, was the GL. Save. I can even email it, email or print, and then view and edit. As always, you have your help option down in the left corner here. You can reach out to our support department by email, which is going to be the best way. You can also give them a call or jump over to our YouTube channel. You can also hit the support bubble here and chat them. I hope you like our new feature and are enjoying your Jenesis Now system. Have a great day.